Zawa is a website that allows you to generate a wide variety of marketing assets and also allows you to actually import any sort of brand system or aesthetic. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm actually going to upload the logo for Cited. And yeah, I'm just going to do that by clicking this plus button here. Okay, great. So now I've actually uploaded the logo for Cited. Cited, by the way, is this website here that I'm working on at the moment. It's one of the products we're pushing out as part of the Everyday AI team, is essentially pushing out. Ultimately, it's just for GEO. Yeah, it's for GEO optimization. It's very effective, very quick. Of course, I would say that, but we actually allow people to generate free infographics so you can actually see how extensive this is, and then you can actually get the full report for $1 or $50 payment. Anyway, that's enough shilling from me. Let's go back to the tool, and we can see here it's extracted the color systems quite neatly, which is cool. We've got some references we can actually paste in here from like favorite posters, art assets, and Zawa can actually use that to create design styles tailored to my taste. I think what I'll do in this case is I will just leave this out and I'm going to click create. Cool. So now I've got the brand kit. Can check it out. And then let's say, wow, okay, this is pretty cool. Sweet. So we've got some models we can actually work with. Interesting stuff. I think let's go to here. So create a promo poster for launch day. What else should I go with? Create a promo poster for launch day. Make sure it's visually captivating. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to say refine this prompt so it's much more robust and vivid. Cool. Now I'm using, I believe this is actually powered by Atlas, the ability to just select something and yeah, basically be able to have access to compute right there inline. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And let's see what we've got here. Incorporate dynamic motion cues. Cool. This all looks pretty good to me. Sweet. Overall aesthetic. I don't want to mention the overall aesthetic because we've actually already got the logo and the brand kit there. Cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna send this off and we'll see what we get. Okay, cool. So it looks like we've got a chat open here on the left and we've got a thinking model going on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to see how long this is going to take and then I'll be back once this is done. Okay, cool. So Zawa's actually come back with a couple potential posters I could use. I've got to say I quite like both. I think they're pretty cool. So we can see there's a chat that opened up on the left and we can see it was a content creation agent that essentially made these two for me. If I want, I can edit the text. I can actually upscale them as well. I can crop them. There's a few different tools I can use as well. Like I can remove certain aspects, split layers, remove the background, and even extend certain sections, I believe, or certain aspects of it so the ratio is actually wider. I can actually edit different kind of, like for example, the strokes, any shadows as well. So this is very much you know, massively customizable canvas. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. I do like the canvas interface as well. Obviously everyone, I think most people on the channel know I'm a big fan of that. I think it's great to be able to see, you know, workflows and different sort of platforms in canvas interface, because I think that's often a great representation of our minds, not necessarily just to chat. But ultimately, I'm quite pleased with Zawa here. Definitely worth giving it a go. I believe they give you, I believe the credits they give you on a regular basis actually refreshes daily. But in any case, certainly worth checking out if you think